Hello, good morning, guys. Let me just do this analysis really quick. So on Thursday, which was yesterday, I didn't take any trade. So today is Friday, January 17th, and the reason was because I missed entry. I missed all the entry of yesterday. Let me explain for a second. Wait, let me go back to my MT5 and show you. Last time we were 4,953, and the reason is because the reason why I lose this thing to 4,927 is because um I have this bad habit of, let me see, which day was it? Yeah, this was the day. So this was still on Wednesday actually. You can see the date. This was still on Wednesday where I was taking all these crappy trades and was expecting that I didn't put enough lot size. I didn't put big lot size, so it shouldn't hurt me much. After I made that massive gain of $300 the other day. So I started taking all these little trades, and this little trades actually was the one that threw me back to 4,927. Then I stopped. Right now, I'm trying my best to stop that habit, so that's why I also got this $100 account, this $100 no deposit bonus account, so that I can be taking all my scrappy trades there. All right, going to yesterday analysis, let's go and do that, and let's do today's analysis real quick also. Let me make this in let me pause this now. All right, so as you guys can see, let's go back to our GBPUSD because I mostly trade GBPUSD, but yesterday I missed all the entry both on GBPUSD and Euro USD with just a little people like this. And I was so angry yesterday because after I saw this break of structure over here, then I set my limit. Guys, this was so fucking annoying. So I set my limit on this fair value gap. Actually, it was on the 1 minute. I set two zones for price to either take me in any of them. So my limit was here, and price came very close. This was just a one pip. If price could have just moved a little bit closer, I could have take this buy yesterday. And after I saw this second break of structure again, I was expecting, let me take this one out to avoid the confusion. I was expecting price to come down at least. It was on the 1 minute actually, 1 minute fair value gap, but price just reacted to this 5 minute fair value gap and continued going up. So let me go back to my MT5. You can see the others that I cancelled. Where is it? Where can I even see it? Where can I see it? Yeah, you can see buy limits. Here is the buy limits that was not cancelled. This was, if you can check it now, you can see that it was very close, very close, but price didn't tag me in. And this sell also, when I saw your 1 minute break of change of character, and I tried to sell, but price also reacted from this zone here and continued going down. So my target was this demand zone actually. If we could have got tagged in on this one, this could have been a 1 to 7, and this one could have been a 1 to 4, making it total a 1 to 11 trade. But I missed out on it. And coming to today's price action, what did I see? Let's go back to the 4 hours time frame and let's do a quick top down analysis. So guys, the reason I was waiting for price yesterday, let me take this one out. Let me just take all these things out. The reason I was waiting for price yesterday, I didn't buy early just like other people. I saw this trend line on the 4 hours time frame, and I know price will always take that trend line before making the remove. I saw this trend line coming, third touch, and this was a massive reaction. This was giving us, telling people to buy early. I know some people that bought early here before price came and take everybody out. When I saw that price take out this trend line, I was also expecting price to take out this low, but when price didn't do that and this change of character in the 5 minute time frame, so that was when I could have taken the buy, but I missed it actually. So right now, that was yesterday's analysis, guys. So today, what am I seeing? So price didn't come to our preferred zone yesterday, so I'm still expecting price could give us a reaction there. Now let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. Alright, on the 15-minute time frame, what can we see, guys? What can we see? Price didn't come to any supply zone yesterday, so this could just be a higher high, just a higher high, and price could just continue making another higher high. But now, what can I see? I can see that the sellers are in control, and this could also be a trap, and this could also play out depending on what time price came to that zone. So you can clearly see that we have this ascending, descending trend line, and we have this sweep of liquidity and a reaction quickly, and we have this break of structure. So this is a strong zone to sell. But right now, we are not still close to the London time. And what can I do at the moment? Let me just take this out since it didn't tag me yesterday. Let me just take it out. Let me also take this. So what am I seeing? I'm seeing this support and resistance. Price has been respecting. We have this support, resistance. We come here again. You can see price was also giving a small reaction when it came the again. This buy up, this green candle. Price was also inviting people before price started blowing through. So right now, what am I seeing? What am I expecting? Now on this GBPUSD, this is still my demand zone actually. Price could liquidate this demand zone, but this is the demand zone that I'm expecting to hold. Why am I expecting it to hold? Because this was the demand zone. This was where price, when price was giving this reaction. If you go down to the 5 minute time frame, you see all this break of structure, all this reaction on the 1 minute time frame. Some people could see this as grab of liquidity, inducement, push out, break of structure, and they were trying to buy here. So this was where price liquidates everybody. So I'm still interested in that zone as long as price didn't actually come down to this buy before you sell demand zone yesterday. So and close to that demand zone, I'm also seeing the support and resistance that are getting taken out right now. So if price come here, I'll be looking for my confirmation to go long at least this supply zone, because this supply zone is a strong one, but this could also be a trap as it is also Asian high. As you guys can see, it was also Asian high. So I'm not expecting much from this zone, but we could be expecting a reaction from this zone. So right now, I'm just be waiting for price to come, maybe take out, come to this demand zone, give a trap, give an inducement, or maybe the inducement could even take out this demand zone. But this demand zone is strong for me actually, so price could just respect it and continue going higher, following the higher time frame. Why are we expecting price to buy? Let me go back to the daily time frame. Let's rewind for a second real quick. So you guys can see we took out a higher time frame liquidity resting below, and we are expecting price to make a pullback, and this pullback will not just come just like that. There will also be a trap. This is our supply zone here. This was the supply zone that price reacted from, and the supply zone is not even on the discount. If we are to calculate from our main push, this was a break of structure, a retracement, a break of structure, a retracement, a break of structure to the downside. If you draw your fib level, you can see that price has not come to the 50% and their liquidity resting above this zone. So that was why I'm still expecting a buy from this trade. And you could also see trend line are already taken out. Price is just retesting this zone before we continue our buy to take out all this liquidity coming to this supply zone. Or we could also still draw our supply zone like this. So that is why I'm looking for a buy. So on the 4 hours time frame, I'm just showing you guys so that you guys too can also do a top down analysis. You can see this why I'm not looking for a sell actually. Now this, if you are going to be looking for a sell, this is a good reaction point. This liquidity grab that I was talking about in the 15-minute time frame is also a good zone to look for a sell. But right now, all we are seeing this support, resistance, support over here. We need price to come down to this demand zone before we could look for anything. Alright, that's the analysis for today. Thank you guys.